While most people flock to the famous Niagara Falls and go, ooh, ah, then head home, they're completely missing this hidden oasis where time truly stands still. Imagine two majestic waterfalls plunging through a forgotten 19th century village. What if I told you Niagara's best-kept secret is waiting to be uncovered, complete with fascinating history, breathtaking views, and tranquil trails only locals seem to know about? Hey road trippers, Christopher Rudder here from Road Trip Ontario, your guide to stress-free adventures. Today, Gordana and I are hanging out with my brother Andrew, and we're taking you off the beaten path into the heart of the Niagara region to a truly special place called Balls Falls Conservation Area. With over 17 kilometers of trails weaving through the area, you'll find plenty to explore. And for the avid hikers out there, these trails connect to the very famous Bruce Trail, opening up even more adventure. Our first stop, just a short and easy walk, about 5-10 minutes from the main visitor area, is the Upper Falls, a beautiful 35-foot cascade that's absolutely picturesque. It's a fantastic spot for those first photos and to feel immersed in the nature here. While the spectacular waterfalls are a highlight, there's so much more to discover if you venture a little further onto the quieter trails. Balls Falls sits within a stunning Corallian forest, which is a truly unique ecosystem in Canada. As you explore paths like the Forest Frolic Trail or the winding Switchback Trail, you'll be immersed in serene nature. Keep your eyes peeled for rare plant species and vibrant birds. It's a fantastic spot for bird watching or simply finding a peaceful moment for yourself. And as you wander around, keep an eye out for hidden historical remnants, like the intriguing Woolen mill ruins that sit a little off the main path, a true hidden gem for history buffs. Stepping out of the forest, you'll instantly feel like you've traveled back in time. Walking through Balls Falls Historic Village truly takes you back to another century. Here you explore the meticulously preserved original 19th century buildings like the original Ball family home, where the family lived and shaped this community. Right next to 20 Mile Creek, you'll find the impressive grist mill, which was vital for grinding grain, and don't miss checking out the unique lime kiln, an integral part of early industry here. You can also visit the quaint old church, which has a beautiful story, and the fascinating blacksmith shop, where you can almost hear the clang of the hammer on the anvil. If you find value in exploring hidden gems like Balls Falls, please consider subscribing to Road Trip Ontario for our latest discoveries.
And if you don't, then look what happens here.
The first thing I'm going to ask you to do to demonstrate your loyalty to this cult is you're going to have to extract blood from a toad.
Sir, yes, sir.
Just down by the creek there. If, that fecal-filled creek, you have to find a toad. You're going to have to...
Now for the grand finale of our natural exploration at Balls Falls, the truly incredible Lower Falls. This dramatic 90-foot waterfall is without a doubt what draws people here. Plunging spectacularly into the gorge of 20 Mile Creek, its sheer power and scale are breathtaking, and you'll find plenty of fantastic lookouts for photos. Okay, let's talk about how to make your visit to Falls perfect. Timing can make a huge difference. Spring brings the waterfalls to their roaring peak with the snow melt. With autumn, it transforms the forest into a breathtaking display of oranges, reds, and golds, perfect for photos. And yes, it's open in the winter too. The falls look absolutely stunning, framed by snow and ice, offering a truly unique experience. The conservation area also hosts fantastic seasonal events like their famous Thanksgiving festival and various heritage days, which offer unique ways to experience the village's living history. Definitely check out their website for dates before you go. In terms of practicalities, there is an admission fee, so be prepared for that, but it's well worth it for all you get to explore. The operating hours vary by season, so always double check online before you head out. Good news for pet owners, leashed dogs are welcome on the trails, so your furry friends can join the adventure. And for essentials, I always recommend comfortable walking shoes for those trails, plenty of water, and of course your camera to capture all the amazing sights. After a fantastic day exploring Falls, if you're looking for a perfect way to cap off your road trip in the Niagara region, we highly recommend heading over to Bench Brewing Company in Beamsville. Their amazing craft beers and the beautiful setting are the ideal reward after a great hike. In fact, it was actually my birthday that day, so my brother Andrew treated me there. It was the perfect way to end the day. Now, speaking of amazing places to explore in Ontario, for our next adventure, we're taking you on a totally different journey to J-Town in Markham. Thank you for watching. Cheers.